Hello, Kunan. Good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me well? Can you hear me well?
Yes.
Can you hear? Yes or no? Oh,
Yes.
can you hear, Kunan?
Yes.
Can you hear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, hello, Kunan. I cannot hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Okay, how are you, Kunan? How are you?
I'm fine.
Wow, that's great because you're fine. What is the weather today?
And sunny.
It's sunny. The same here. It's very sunny and so hot. Okay, so if you remember yesterday, we learned things that we do. Okay, what are the things that we do, Kunan? We we shop.
We
What else? We we borrow books. What else? What did we learn yesterday, Kunan? We shop, we borrow books, we email
Emily.
letters, we buy
But
clothes, we kick a ball, we,
we
what do we do? We watch movies.
what mommy?
Okay, so this time, let's have a review. Look at the picture, listen, and repeat. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 14. Lesson 2. Things to do. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Shop,
2,
Stop.
watch a movie,
What's a movie?
3,
borrow books,
Horrible.
4,
mail letters,
Mail letter.
buy groceries,
Buy grocery.
6,
kick a ball,
Cable.
Very good. Okay, now look, Kunan. What do they do?
Elsa.
Very good. Where do they shop? They shop in the department store. Kunan, where do they shop?
They shop in the department store.
Very good. Okay, now look at the department store. What can you see? What can you
They
see?
saw this. They saw in the department store.
That is right, Kunan. Now look at the department store. What can you see? I can see people. Very good. What else?
T-shirt,
T-shirt. Very good, Kunan. Okay, now look. What do they do?
they watch a movie in the movie theater.
Nice, Kunan. Do you like watching a movie in the movie theater?
Mm,
Yes or no?
Then the
Nice, Kunan. Okay, now look at this one. What is this?
in movie
What is this?
is
It's a popcorn.
popcorn,
Popcorn. Okay, we eat
popcorn.
popcorn in the movie theater. Do you like popcorn?
That I do.
Nice. Okay, now look. What does she do? What does she
She
do?
borrow book in the
In the library.
library.
Very good. Okay, do you like to borrow book? Yes or
That
no?
I do.
Do you
That I
like to
do.
borrow books?
That I do.
Nice, Kunan. All right. Now, look, what does she do?
It she my lady in the
In the post office.
post office.
Very good. Okay, now I want you to say mail letters. Mail letters.
Mail letter.
Very good. Okay, now look, what does she do?
The river where in the
Yes,
sep sep
in the
in the
supermarket.
supermarket.
Very good. Okay, you say groceries. Groceries.
Groceries.
Nice. Okay, now look at this one. What does he do?
He kid and bat in the park.
Very good. Okay, say kick a ball. Kick a ball.
About
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now look, listen, ask, and answer. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 14. B. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What's he doing at the department store?
He's shopping.
What's she doing at the department store?
She's shopping.
He's. He is. She's. She is. Shop. Shopping. Watch. Watching. Borrow. Borrowing. Mail. Mailing. Buy. Buying. Kick. Kicking.
Right.
1.
What's he doing at the department store?
He's shopping. What's she doing at the movie theater?
She's watching a movie.
3.
What's he doing at the library?
He's borrowing books.
4.
What's she doing at the post office?
She's mailing letters.
5.
What's she doing at the supermarket?
She's buying groceries.
6.
What's he doing at the park?
He's kicking a ball.
All right. Now, let's practice, Kunan. I want you to look and read. All right. I will be the girl and you are the boy. Okay? Now look, Kunan. What's he doing at the department store?
He is shopping.
Okay, say shopping. He's shopping.
Shopping.
Nice. What's she doing at the department store?
He is shopping.
Very good. So look, we have a man or a boy. We use he. He is, that is, he is. The same. Okay, girl. She is the same. All right, now look, Kunan. We add ing. Okay, double the P, add ing. ing, 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 ing. Okay, for example, walk. What's walk? Walking. Sing.
Singing.
Very good. Dance.
Dancing.
Dancing. Eat.
It is.
Yes, eating. So in short, Kunan, we add I and G in most of the verbs. Okay?
Possible. Okay.
Very good. Now look and read. Stop.
Stop. Shopping.
Nice. Watch.
Working.
Great. Borrow.
Borrowing.
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 Very good. Mail.
Million.
Okay, buy.
Buying.
Kick.
Kitten.
Kicking. Kicking.
Chicken. Chicken.
Very good. Now look, listen, and answer. What's he doing at the department store? What's he doing at the department store?
One.
What's he
It's
doing at the
shopping.
department store? He's shopping. Very good. Okay. Now look at number 2. What's he doing at a movie theater?
It's walking.
She's watching a
Walking on.
she's watching a movie. You say she's watching a movie.
Mm,
Okay, say he's watching a movie.
she walking on movie.
Very good. Okay, number 3. What's he doing in the library? What's he doing in the library?
He is
What's he doing in the library? He is borrowing.
he is borrowing a book. Is very.
One more, Kunan. What's he doing in the library?
He borrowing book in the library.
Very good. 4. What's she doing in the post office? What's she doing in the post office?
She Brian left in the off book office.
Very good. Okay, your turn, Kunan. Number 5. What's she doing in the supermarket?
She He is
She is
put in table in
she's
the
buying
table in the supermarket.
okay, you say she's buying groceries in the supermarket.
She is bought in groceries in the supermarket.
What about him? What's he doing at the park?
He is kid and brown in the park.
Very good, Kunan. I'll give you 3 stars here. Nice. Okay, now look at this one. Look and read, Kunan. Okay, let's switch. You will ask me and I will answer.
What he doing is at the department store. He
He's shopping.
shopping. What is she doing in the movie theater?
He's watching a movie.
What is doing at the library?
He's watching. Oh, this one.
What is she doing at the movie theater?
He is watching a movie.
What is she doing at the library?
He's borrowing book.
What is she doing at the post office?
He's mailing letters.
What is she doing at the supermarket?
He's buying groceries.
What is he doing at the park?
He's kicking a ball. Okay, now look at this one, Kunan. Look, listen, and answer. Here it is, Kunan.
Page 15. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What are they doing at the department store?
They're shopping.
It's a
There.
shopping.
They
There.
are.
There are.
What are they doing at the department store?
They're shopping.
2,
What are they doing at the supermarket?
They're buying groceries.
3,
What are they doing at the movie theater?
They're watching a movie.
4,
What are they doing at the park?
They're kicking a ball.
5,
What are they doing at the post office? They're mailing letters.
6,
What are they doing at the library? They're borrowing books.
All right. Now look at this one, Kunan. Let's practice. How many people are there? How many people are there, Kunan? Hello, Kunan.
They are 7.
Okay, how many people? Let's count first. How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
How? 4 people. Very good. Is it one or many? Okay, many. Okay, so look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Many people. So we say they. Okay,
Right. Yes.
very good. So look, Kunan. I, she, and he. That's only one. Okay, so we use is because it's only one. But if it's they or we, that many, we use are. Oh, are. Because that's more than one. Okay?
Okay.
Now look, Kunan. What's she doing at the department store? Kunan, look. What's she doing at the department store?
He
What's she doing at the department store? Hello, Kunan.
he is
He is
he is he is one money.
he's one person. What is she doing at the department store? You say she is.
He is
What is she doing at the department store?
Cô ấy đang làm gì ở cửa hàng bách hóa?
Look, Kunan, what is she doing at the department store?
is strawberry.
Very good. Now look at him. What is he doing at the department store?
He is strawberry.
Nice. Okay, now what are they doing at the department store?
They are strawberry.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now let us practice. All right, look. What are they doing at the department store?
Is they are shopping.
One more. What are they doing? One more, Kunan. What are they doing at the department store?
They are shop.
You say they are shopping.
They are shopping.
Okay. Now look. What are they doing in the grocery store?
They are
They are
putting.
okay. They are buying groceries.
They are putting groceries.
All right. Now look. What are they doing at the movie theater?
They are walking. 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 Walk. Walking in. Walk in a movie.
Very good. What are they doing at a park?
They are yeah, can improve.
One more. They are
They are cleaning a bowl.
nice, Kunan. 5. What are they doing in the post office?
They are mm, that's it. Mhm.
They are they are
They are in let they
yes, they are emailing letters. Okay, now last one, number 6, Kunan. What are they doing at a library?
they are
Look, what are they doing in the library?
yeah,
They are Okay, you say they are borrowing books in the library.
They are borrowing book in the library.
All right, so I'll give you 2 stars here, Kunan. Okay, so Kunan, look at this one. Listen and circle your answer. Okay, what are they doing at the library?
They are borrowing a book.
Very good. Okay, now what are they doing at the park?
They are in the park.
Very good. Okay, what are they doing at the supermarket?
They are put in groceries.
Nice. Okay, what are they doing at the department store?
They are shopping.
Great job. Okay, what are they doing at the post office?
They are marine lettuce.
Nice, Kunan. Last one, what are they doing at the movie theater?
They are work in a movie.
That is right. Perfect, Kunan. So, of course, I'll give you 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So, what did you learn today, Kunan? I learned watching a movie.
Work in TV.
Where? This is in the movie theater. What else? What else,
Put
Kunan?
television.
Very good. Buying groceries. Where? Supermarket.
Supermarket.
Very good. What else? Emailing letters. Where?
Email later.
In the post office.
Post
What
office.
else? Kicking a ball.
Chicken a park.
Very good. Then borrowing books.
Borrow in book.
Where? That's the
Library.
you say library.
Library.
Very good. All right. So, Kunan, you got 10 stars for today. You did great. However, I encourage you to take down notes, especially of the phrases and vocabularies, so that you don't forget. All right?
Nhận được 10 sao cho ngày. Bạn đã nhận được 10 sao cho ngày hôm nay. Bạn đã làm rất tốt. Tuy nhiên tôi khuyến khích bạn ghi chú lại, đặc biệt là các cụm từ và từ vựng để bạn không quên nhé.
All right, Kunan?
Alright.
Yeah, so take down notes later. Get a notebook and a pencil. All right, so that's it for today, Kunan. I hope you learned something.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.